I'm Ron Paulk with the Smart Wood Shop here at Reparadise in Salt Lake City, and this is the very first Paulk Smart Bench cut here at Reparadise. We're bringing a load of ultralight out to Florida on the 20th, and we're able to make a few of these benches. If you'd like to get a Paulk Smart Bench from Reparadise for yourself, then contact Sam. I'll put his contact right here, and he'll work out the details with you. And I'm going to be there when these benches and wood are delivered, so if you'd like, I'll even shine your bench for you. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop.